Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the card and account details so the rest can work. First, check the gift card balance and reveal the code carefully. A damaged code will fail. Next, make sure your Epic account region and currency match the card. Mismatches block redemption. Sign in to Epic Games. Using the exact account you used to play Fortnite and enable two-factor authentication if prompted. This prevents account-related rejection when you try to redeem the code. Next, go to the Epic Games Redeem page on a desktop browser. Redeeming through the website avoids platform-specific blockers. Type the code exactly. Watch for 0 versus letter O and 1 versus letter I, because one wrong character will reject it. Once submitted, link the redeemed funds to your Fortnite platform account if needed. If a region or currency error appears, gather your receipt and card photo so you can escalate with support. That evidence speeds manual corrections and prevents repeated failures. Finally, confirm the funds appear in your Epic wallet and then open the Fortnite launcher to verify availability for purchases. If the balance doesn't show, clear your browser cache, sign out and back in, or try a different browser or device to force a sync. If problems persist, contact Epic support immediately with your receipt, a clear photo of the card, the exact error message, and the time you attempted redemption. This single set of evidence is usually enough for support to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.